Our new bird. It's Snippy. Say hello. I'm not sure how old he is, but if anybody knows out there, let me know. Just got him yesterday, and like Snip, and he has never been held. So let me know. See, he doesn't like to be held. And he bites. Let me know what I need to do to train him or anything else. I would appreciate it. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye.